folks, this is Wesley billion dollar Virgin with another Make Money Online video. How you right now can do this. Listen, I'm going to show you right here live in this video here. Look at me on how to share a video and make money. Every time, look, you're looking at my YouTube channel right now, and I know what you're thinking. You want to smash that like and sub to the channel, but listen, before you do that, I'm going to show you how to go to a video like this, right? In a video, like my app video. And basically, when you click on that video and you go down here and you hit the share button right here, okay? YouTube is going to basically, this site that I'm going to show you right now, it's going to pay you money, okay, from YouTube. So check it out. It's free because YouTube is free. It doesn't take any money, check. It doesn't take any skills, check. And listen, before I get started, because I'm going to walk you step by step, so make sure you follow and listen to every word that I give you. Why? Because it works. So basically, what you want to do is you want to go to youtube.com. All right, let's go to the YouTube channel right here. And what you want to do is you want to find videos or categories on YouTube that are popular. See, this is why you have to listen to the very end, because you may miss something, okay? So look, pay attention. You want to find categories on YouTube that are already popular here. Now, I'm going to give you one. How to lose weight. Hold on. And this is the simplest way to make money online. It's very easy to do. How to lose weight fast, okay? How to lose weight fast, and you're going to see all these videos. So you see all these videos here. So what you want to do is find videos that already get millions of views, okay? You want to select videos that get millions of views, like this one right here, 7 tips on how to lose weight for teenagers here at home. Click that, okay? Are you doing it with me? Listen, just don't, listen. If you want to make money online, just don't watch me. Actually do it with me. The fastest way to make money is to model other successful people, all right? I mean, I struggled, but I finally understood how to do this. And the reason why I'm successful online is because I listened to someone that was just like me years ago when I was broke. Not saying that you're broke, but I'm pretty sure that you want to leave your 9-to-5 job, or you're tired of doing things that you don't want to do, and you'd rather be butt naked in that bed making money. Can I get it? Let's go. Let's go! Okay, so here's the video here, and watch how simple this is. Hit the share button here, okay? Copy that. Boom, boom, boom. Done! Right? And what you can do is you can save that URL, because what you want to do is you hit the back button here, okay? And you want to get many websites. Now understand this. You must choose videos that have at least millions of views for you to get paid from this website that I'm about to show you in about 5 seconds, okay? Program that in your mind. So we scroll down here. Here's another video. How to lose weight fast, 10 kilograms in 10 days. Click that. Okay, you're with me so far?
Hey guys.
Let's pause the video here. Share, okay? And copy. See how easy it is? So the thing is what, now listen, it's up to you. If you want to make a ton of money, you want to share about 10 to 20 different videos here, okay? You want to get 10 to 20 different links. Are you listening to me? This is how you make money online fast using this site, as long as you work it. Listen, some people are lazy. You know, they say, well, I'm going to take one link and I think I'm going to make $1,000 or $1 million. It won't work, okay? If you're a grinder like me, I'm a grinder, baby. I'm like, let's go, right? It's the weekend right now, and I'm doing a video for you here on YouTube, okay? Now check it out. So what you do here, you just go through all these videos, okay? Now listen, this is just one category. You can do a category such as, what's another thing that's very popular? How to get the girl of my dreams, right? Look at all these videos, very popular here, okay? Look at that, 37, oh, that's Rod Wave here. Look at that. Or how to get the girl, right? How to get the girl fast, right? Now look at this. So what you do, you're getting the point now, right? All you're doing is this. You're taking videos in a certain category, okay? And you're clicking on the video, okay? You're clicking the share button and you're copying the link, because those links is what you're going to use to share so you can get paid, okay? But we're going to focus on how to lose weight, okay? So let's assume that you already have about 20 to 100 links, okay? Listen, 100 links. That takes about maybe 20, I don't know, not even 20 minutes, 10 minutes to get 100 links. And I'm going to show you at the end of this video how to get somebody else to do it for you if that's what you want, okay? So now check it out. Pay attention. If you're with me, in the link in the comments below, say, Wesley, I'm with you here, okay? Let's go! Okay, look it up. So I'm excited right now because I'm getting ready to make money online, and you too as well, okay? So the site that you want to go to, because you have all the links, right, on how to lose weight, you go to the site right here. It's called oke.io, okay? And this is what they pay, basically, okay? So as people start to download your video, and the great thing about this, and this is what you're going to do, this is why a lot of you are going to smash the like button, like you're going to smash the like button like that, it's because it's worldwide, okay? I saw your comments from my last video said, Wesley, we need more videos like this worldwide because this thing works so well. And a lot of people, thank you for your positive comments below. Thank you for showing me love. And I'm going to continue to do this until I get you, big head, some money in your pocket, okay? So it's Australia. Australia pays $5. United States pays $4. United Kingdom, $4. Denmark, Germany, Canada. As you can see, it's worldwide, right? So based off the rate. So this is how it works. Per 1,000 of views, you're going to start making this money. Now I know what you're thinking. 1,000 views? Listen, I'm going to show you a cool way how to get a ton of traffic on autopilot. That's the key about the internet, okay? You have billions of people. Imagine this. You have billions of people online. And when you do something one time, you can let that thing bake like a nice big old chicken, right? You just let it work for you, okay? So that's nothing. I'm gonna show you how to get thousands and thousands of views right here in this video. That's why I said, stay with me, okay? You with me? All right. So all you need to do is, I'm already logged in right here. But let's say if I logged out, let's log out. And all you do is go to sign up here. You put your username, email address, password, put the password in again, you click submit, okay? And basically it looks like this. Let me log into my account right now because I have an account because I want to make more money than I'm making now. And you're going to realize that you're going to make a lot of money, but you have to take action. As a matter of fact, as I'm logging in, I want you to say to yourself, I will take action on everything that Wesley showed me here, okay? This is free. It's no money. It's just grind. You have to grind. I'm going to be honest with you. You have to grind. You have to lay in your bed butt naked. You don't have to be butt naked, right? Because maybe people don't want to see you butt naked. But if they do, it's okay as well. But listen, you have to grind, okay? You have to put in the work. So you go here and you hit the withdraw button. This is how you get your money. They're paying Skrill, Bitcoin, and PayPal and other ways to get your money. And I love this because they give you other options to get paid here, okay? So basically, your question is this. Okay, Wes, but how do I make the money? Okay, so let's go back here. Let's take the link here, okay? So remember, you take all the links from all the videos that you have gathered already, okay? All the links. I know what you guys are thinking. You're excited, right? I know. Hey, can you smash the like button? Let me pause for a second. Let's go! Smash the like button, baby, and sub to the channel because I'm going to keep giving you money, making online videos until you earn $10,000 a month, okay? And listen, in the description below, I always give more tools and more step-by-step ways on what I did to make $1 million in 1 month. And I know you think it's hard, but it's not. Do you have to work? Absolutely. Is it simple? Yes. All right? So you hit the share button right here. I'm excited. You hit the copy button, baby. Okay. That's it. This is what I do every day to make money online. I swear to God. Like, because there's thousands of ways to make money. Okay? And you go here and you put your link here on oke.io and you hit the word shorten. Bam! And that's the link, okay? See that link right there? You're going to copy that, all right? You got it? Now, listen, okay? Stay with me here. This is where you're going to see all your stats, okay? This is where you're going to see all your money start to accumulate, right? As you're sharing that link, you're just sharing YouTube videos that are already popular. And understand, when they share and other people share, you keep making money and you'll see these zeros start to turn to 5 to 10 to 20 to $50. And now you're making money online. And then you're going to say, Wesley, I love you, man. Because you are the person that told me that I can do this. In the comments below, I want you to comment, I can do this. It's important because it's a mindset thing, right? You got to believe that this is possible. All right? If you believe that you can do it, it happens. I get emails every day of people that watch my free content, right? And say, Wesley, I'm making money. I just made my first $100 and I'm 18 years old. I just made my first $200 and I'm 26 years old. I graduated from college. No jobs were available. Wesley, I just quit my job because I'm earning $2,000 a month on the computer based off one of your YouTube videos. And I appreciate that. But now it's your turn, okay? Now, this is what you do, okay? What you want to do is go to weight loss forums. So this is what you do. Let's back up for a second. Go to google.com, type in top weight loss forums 2020. Why? Because we're focusing on the category of losing weight, okay? It's very popular here. So now your question is, well, Wesley, where do I put those links so I can get thousands of views like every single second, like this? You type in top weight loss forums here, click that button here, okay? And I'm gonna give you a few ways, okay? I'm gonna give you a very powerful way in about 60 seconds, so stay with me to the very end. Look here, you see these weight loss forums? You join all of them, okay? And this is for the people that struggle. Like if you're struggling financially, especially during the pandemic, this is a very powerful way to start getting some cash in. And what I like to do many of these different sites because, you know, every dollar counts. Makes sense? The average person doesn't even make $100 a day. $100 a day. Imagine if you were making $100 a day, that's $3,000 a month by just grinding every day. But the great thing about the grind, when you grind 1 week, on week number 2, just called exponential growth because your links are going to be so deep into the internet that other people are going to click on your link. And now you're getting thousands and thousands of views. So you'll see the money just start to stack up. This is powerful, but you have to take massive action here, okay? So you just sign up for these forums here, okay? That's it. 3 fat chicks, and they're all free, okay? They're all free to sign up with, okay? You go to 3fatchicks.com, put in your email address, and bam, they're going to give you a login. Now, you may be asking, well, Wesley, well, what do I put in the forums? I'm going to give you a script that I use personally, and for smashing the like button, I'm going to give it to you right now for free. Copy that right now. And as a matter of fact, just for you, just because I love you so much, because I see that big old head of yours and I like that big old head of yours, I'm going to do this for you. Guess what? I'm going to give it to you for free. Under this video, I'm going to put a link to this file, okay? Many diets have you feeling hungry, dissatisfied, and hangry, right? Which is why I went online and found the most easiest way to lose weight fast. But before I share it with you, how many pounds would you like to lose? Now, your link, what do you put here? Well, it's obvious. You put the link from okie.io, whatever, right? You put that link, 10 pounds, 20 pounds, 30 pounds. So depending on how many pounds the person wants to lose, you're going to put your link here that you just copied from YouTube. Listen, thousands of people are going to click this because you're going to put this on these weight loss forums, okay? And these weight loss forums, you have hundreds of thousands of people every single day. They interact on these forums, okay? Does that make sense? It is powerful. Sign up to all of them, right? Create a free account and you just post this. Screenshot that, and as long as you smash that like button, I'm gonna go ahead and leave that file below because I love you and I want you making money now, okay? Now, did that make perfect sense? That was easy, right? Was that simple to do? How many of you right now are thinking that they can do this? Listen, you can do this, okay? You can do this, right? Like, hey, this is Wesley. Billion!